See your tongue. There. No, I do not want to play. I don't want to play. I told you this.
Looks like skipping playtime was never an option. Daisy clearly does not support sharing attention.
So if you're the president of the United States and you're looking, they're coming from here, here, and here. They're looking. Most of the
Does you're tired? Oh, so how am I going to go for a sleep, Father?
That dog really said, "Yep, this is comfortable enough."
Oh, yes.
Did you just drop that copper? Next one! Oh, go on then, take it in. Oh, I don't think there's anything for you, Rowdy, that you're going to take. That one. Oh, got it. Σ' τα ψαράκια.
She's not following the human, she's steering it.
Being in the semifinals with anyone else. And as a duo, we are going to fight to the end.
That dog suddenly remembered he has unlimited energy.
Oh my god.
Just chilling. All right, buddy.
Pegou uma carona aí.
Meanwhile, these dogs already figured out basic hygiene.
Хороший мальчик. Выходи. Выходи. Молодец. Молодец.
Milo, do nice.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.